case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1978 Arizona Court of Appeals case, Rose v. Freeway Aviation, Inc., tenant Richard Rose sued his landlord, Freeway Aviation, after a building he was leasing was destroyed by a windstorm. Previously, the building had sustained damage from a gasoline truck accident involving a Freeway employee, but was not repaired, despite Rose's requests. After the windstorm, Rose asked Freeway to rebuild the building, but they refused, claiming the lease was terminated due to the destruction of the building. The court had to decide whether Freeway was obligated to rebuild the damaged building or if the destruction effectively terminated all obligations under the lease. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of Rose, stating that Freeway had assumed the risk of the building's continued existence and indeed had an obligation to rebuild it. The judgment determined that Freeway's failure to repair the damage breached the lease, and thus summary judgment for their liability for failure to repair and rebuild was correctly granted. However, the judgment was modified to exclude liability for punitive damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.